Understanding brow trimming. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, brow trimming. This is a common term you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially when talking about grooming and beauty. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Brow trimming refers to the act of cutting and shaping the eyebrows to make them look neat and tidy. Eyebrows play a significant role in facial expressions and aesthetics, so many people, both men and women, choose to trim their brows for a cleaner, more defined look. The process can involve various tools like scissors, trimmers, or even tweezers. In many cultures, brow trimming is considered a part of regular grooming. It's not just about beauty. It's also about personal hygiene and self-care. The way someone chooses to trim their brows can vary widely depending on personal taste, cultural influences, and current fashion trends. This practice has been around for centuries and continues to evolve. Let's look at some examples of how you might use brow trimming in a sentence. 1. I have an appointment for a brow trimming session this afternoon. 2. Can you recommend a good brow trimming kit? 3. He takes his grooming seriously, especially when it comes to brow trimming. These sentences help you understand the context in which the phrase is commonly used. If you're interested in brow trimming, here are a few tips. Find a shape that complements your face. Use clean and sharp tools to avoid any infections. It's often safer to go to a professional, especially if you're new to this. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand what brow trimming is all about. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but also about understanding the cultural and practical aspects behind them. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use brow trimming in your conversations. See you in the next video.